cool little trick you can do with your Lebert HIIT system. So one of the questions I got, which I thought I'd share, is, you know, it kind of hurts to put your feet in here because it's not like a TRX. It doesn't have the loop. That's what's cool about this thing. Less is more. So what you do is you take your handle and simply move to the side. There's your loop. Put your feet in. So what I do is a lot of times, because you have the movable strap there, not bands, movable friction ring here, so it allows you to get, you know, some cool, you know, anti-rotational type stuff. So what you want to do is move your handles to the side, create your own rings, and I tend to just put them like this, so that it's kind of like one strap on each side, and you put your feet in there and go to work. So real simple. You just create your loop, and I'm doing it barefoot. Put your feet in. There you go. Get to work. Boom.